I could have totally picked a better spot to sit. Pretty cool though, the moon's right behind them. My phone seems to record like shit at night. So that blurry thing behind the fireworks is the moon. Looks like it's actually like a half a moon. Who would ever thought, me of all people, would be sitting, eating chips and drinking a Monster across the street from the fucking courthouses? My most hated place of all time. This is basically my 4th of July. I have no plans to go out on the 4th of July, Monday. Not at all. Well, no, I'm moving. I need to sip of my Monster. It's the only way I could fully enjoy the show. I only drink Monsters on very special occasions. You know, like it's hot out, it's cold out. My dog died. I got a dog. I had a baby. My aunt died. You know, all those types of special occasions. No, I'm kidding. That's how I drank. I guess it ain't too bad for the ghetto. This fucking shithole that I live in, called Central Islip. I mean, I hope I didn't ride my bike all the way here just for that. Oh, I needed the exercise, so. I guess that's really it. I guess I'm going to be sitting here for a while in silence. Because I still have an entire bag of chips to eat. And I haven't even smoked a cigarette yet. And that's, of course, it's mandatory before I leave. There are fireworks going off all other places behind me. Can't see them though. See if we can see the skyline. That looks really nice. It does look really nice. Unfortunately, I can't really appreciate it because my camera is recording like shit. I guess I messed with the settings. I don't know. Everyone's fucking bolting. All the tools. I'll wait for that to all lie down. But alright. I guess that's enough. Signing off. Fuck you.